Hello everyone, welcome to Dash of Spices. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us a comment. Today I'm going to show you how I made this garlic fried rice. This is a very quick and easy recipe from Dash of Spices. Today's ingredients are steamed white rice. This is a leftover rice, but you could cook a fresh white rice, that's really up to you. 1 egg, garlic, onions, also garlic pepper, ground black pepper, salt, and coconut oil. I'm adding water on the rice since this is a leftover rice, so it's kind of hard. To soften it, all you have to do is add a little water, just enough so it softens the rice, so they won't stick together too. It's easier to stir fry the rice. I'm going to season the rice with garlic pepper, ground black pepper, and some salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. This is my favorite salt, it just tastes good. Now slowly mixing all the ingredients together. Just mix them nicely. In a warm skillet, I'm going to heat up the coconut oil. I'm using a teaspoon of the coconut oil. Now that oil is ready, I'm going to add a teaspoon of the garlic. This is minced garlic. Now some onions. I'm putting 2 teaspoons of onions. And just cook the onions and garlic until they're lightly brown. Now I'm adding the white rice, the cooked white rice. I'm cooking the rice for about 10 minutes on low heat. I don't want to burn the rice, that's why I'm cooking it in low heat. Also, you have to constantly stirring the rice. I stir the rice like about every 2 minutes. And halfway through the cooking, I kind of balance the taste. I just added a little pinch of salt. I think it needed more salt. So while the rice is cooking, I'm also making a scrambled egg. So this is a breakfast recipe. For Filipinos, it's common to have rice even for breakfast. And what we do with the rice, leftover rice, we make it like a garlic fried rice. So constantly stirring. But you could multitask, especially if you're a mom, you could multitask. So right here, I'm also making a scrambled egg while my rice is cooking. So again, stirring the rice. Now, at the very last minute of the cooking process, I'm going to add the egg. Just whisk the egg first before you add it to your rice. And now constantly mixing them. I also turned the heat off on this process right here because I'm letting the heat from the rice to cook the egg all the way through. The garlic fried rice is done. This is one of the most common breakfast dish in the Philippines. We normally have rice in the morning as well, not only for dinner or lunch or dinner. We also have rice for breakfast, and most of the time we make a garlic fried rice. I also have bacon right here, but if this is a traditional Filipino breakfast, instead of a bacon we have a corned beef or even a spam or a sausage. I'm putting green onions as my toppings for that delicious fried rice. It's delicious. My daughter and my husband eat this all. They love this type of breakfast. It's like the big breakfast. Also, I'm adding a mango. Give it an Asian kick. Also, the rest of the avocado. And there is the healthy breakfast. I hope you like this video. And if you want to check out how I made that crispy bacon, I have another video on how I made an easy crispy bacon. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you. Have a good one, everyone.